Okay, so it snowed this morning. Not a whole lot. Just about 1.5 inches. And the chickens hate it. That was some ice. There used to be true snow bale or straw bales there, but they destroyed it. You gonna come out on the snow? Want some corn? See, Fluffosaurus has the advantage with her snowshoes. That's Kara complaining. There's some black oil sunflower seeds mixed in with corn. You can see Fluff is the biggest of the lot. Yeah, that's right. That's little Salem in front. Kara's the oldest, at 2 years old. It's Candy Rex. He's very nearly Point-A-Lay. I'm gonna go see if there's any eggs. Did you guys lay for me? Huh? And 2 eggs. 1 in each nest. They must have gone at the same time.